April 2026 has completely changed the pace of construction. What many expected to be a slow phase has turned into one of the most impressive periods so far. From the rising roof structure to the transforming interior, the stadium is evolving faster than ever. And in this update, we're covering every major development. The roof is now moving into one of its most crucial and visually striking stages. The expansion of the compression ring is driving steady progress, with new steel segments being installed and aligned. Each piece is fixed to maintain the circular shape, requiring coordination between cranes, engineers, and ground teams. As more segments are added, the structure gains strength, allowing it to distribute weight across the roof system. In the southeast sections, the main pillars are playing a key role in supporting the roof. Many are already fully concreted and connected to the upper ring, forming a strong vertical backbone. The remaining pillars are progressing in phases, with some requiring reinforcement due to their position in load-bearing areas. Concrete curing is also advancing well, ensuring long-term durability and stability. Another highlight is the installation of radial beams extending from the compression ring. These beams are gradually being connected, forming the framework that will support the outer roof covering. Work is happening across different sections, keeping progress balanced. With each passing week, the final shape of the roof is becoming clearer, marking a major milestone. The facade has seen strong and visible progress throughout April. Support systems for the panels are expanding across larger areas, especially along the edges. Steel brackets and supports are being installed with precision, creating a base for the exterior cladding. In several premium areas, facade panels are already being mounted, giving the stadium a modern look. LED lighting and electrical systems are also being integrated, ensuring a strong visual effect during night events. Scaffolding remains one of the most active elements on site. Its scale has been expanded to allow work on multiple levels at the same time. These structures provide access to complex areas like roof edges and facades. With optimized layouts, workers and materials move efficiently, while safety checks ensure stability throughout the process. Surface preparation is progressing steadily, especially in transition areas. Teams are leveling and smoothing concrete surfaces that will support flooring, equipment, and public movement. Drainage systems are also being integrated, ensuring proper water management. While less visible, this phase is essential for long-term performance. Inside the stadium, seating installation is creating one of the biggest changes. Major progress has been made across upper and middle tiers. Prefabricated seats are being installed rapidly, with each row aligned for viewing angles and comfort. In premium sections, wider seating and additional features are also being prepared. The color patterns are starting to emerge, showing the stadium's final interior identity. Beyond seating, interior work is transforming the stadium into a functional space. Walls are being installed, and systems like ventilation, wiring, and plumbing are being integrated. Hospitality areas, corridors, and service zones are taking shape. The pace suggests many sections will soon be ready for finishing touches. Work in the stands is focused on precision and preparation. From seating bases to access points and safety measures, every detail is being refined. These areas are crucial for the fan experience, and their completion will define the stadium's atmosphere. The central section is one of the busiest and most critical areas. Multiple structural elements come together here, making it essential for stability and design. Teams are reinforcing supports, installing concrete slabs, and building frameworks for seating and circulation. Internal pathways, including stairs and corridors, are also being developed. This area clearly shows how the stadium is evolving into a modern masterpiece. The third-tier seating is now almost fully complete, reaching around 99% progress, with only minor finishing work remaining, mainly in concrete detailing. Structurally, the entire upper seating bowl is now clearly visible, and with one of the final sections recently installed, this phase is now entering its final stage. In the tribuna area, activity levels are high. The site is filled with machinery, including trucks, platforms, and concrete equipment. Concrete work continues as a mixer truck arrives to supply the pump seen earlier. Workers are operating at different heights, handling various installations. Even if some areas look calm, overall activity remains strong across this section. That's it for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe for daily progress videos. Stay with us, because in the next update, we'll take you deeper inside the stadium with exclusive behind-the-scenes views.